Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to combine different model files in Navisworks Manage. We can combine piping, structure, mechanical, different model file into a single combined Navisworks file. Let's start how we can do that. To combine different model files, we have to click here on append, and when you click on append, you guys have to select your folder in which your files are stored. So my files are stored in this folder. We have three disciplines. One is mechanical, piping, and structure. First I will open structure. This is my structure file. I will change the background color. Right click background and change the color here. This is the one file. Second file, click again on append. I will select on mechanical. Now these mechanical equipments are added in the model. Now I have to add piping. Click on append and select the pipe. Now all the three models are added into the Navisworks Manage. You can add any number of models. If you belongs to a construction engineering, then you can add architecture or MEP and so on. So we have to make a single file of this one. To combine, we have to click here and click here on save as, and we have to give the name of your file. I will give the name overall project, and below here you have to select the extension. We have to select .nwd, and this extension is open in Navisworks Freedom, Navisworks Simulate, and Navisworks Manage. I will simply click save, and your model is combined now. Let's see. You can see this is a combined model is generator. So I will remove this one. To open new one, click on open, and here I will select overall project, which we are combined open. So now our model is combined, and we can see the model, and we can rectify our shortcomings in the model with the help of the different disciplines.